Admonition 5. Speak so between two enemies, that thou mayest not be put to shame, if they become friends. Between two men, contention is like fire, the ill-starred backbiter being the wood carrier. When both of them become friends again, will among them be unhappy and ashamed. To kindle fire between two men is not wise, but is to burn oneself thereat. Converse in whispers with thy friends, lest thy sanguinary foe may hear thee. Take care of what thou sayest in front of a wall, because an ear may be behind the wall. And it's not just being witnessed, but yeah, people join in the slander or the talking bad about people, and you don't have to just see it on TV. It's in real life, and then peace is made, and then somebody doesn't even have the friend that they were taking the side of.